Hey guys, it's Nick. It is Friday night in Vienna, Austria, and I'm going to check out some of the areas where there is a lot of bars and nightlife. It is almost midnight right now, so a lot of the people that were just out for dinner or an ice cream are kind of winding down, and just the bar people are left, it looks like. So let's go see where all the bars are around here. So this is the city center with all the high-end shopping and all of that, and this is the it's along the water. It is known as the Old Jewish Quarter or something like that, but there's a whole lot of bars, and if you want to find this place, you know, everybody says, oh, this quarter or that quarter, this is where it's happening, but it's hard to find it if you don't have an exact address or something like that. So kind of smack dab in the middle of this area with all these bars is the Hard Rock Cafe. So if you want to figure out how to get to this area, just Google Hard Rock Cafe, and we're coming up on it on the left in a few seconds anyway. So this is the area. And I came here last night on bike, Thursday night. But I came here late, like after 1 o'clock, and everybody was kind of winding down, so I couldn't really tell where all the places were. And apparently there is these outside bars along the waterfront over there, so these open air bars. So I'm gonna hop over there and see if they are going on right now. So there's some bars over here. This area is supposed to be known as the Bermuda Triangle, apparently, because it's kind of a triangle area of a bunch of famous bars from the 80s or something along those lines. So let's go see. Oh, and that's one of them, Bermuda Brow. Some good late night food. So this place looks pretty good. Good size. So I think I might come back here and have a drink in a few minutes. This other bar, Cra, is also very popular. Wow. So this little side street, Bar Cubana, this little side street that you can't really tell from the regular street, this is where a majority of the people are, it looks like. So live music, Casablanca bar. This place is pretty packed. So, yeah, I didn't see this last night. I don't know, it might have been closed because I did ride by this way, not necessarily on that street. I definitely rode on this street. And so the other potential bars are right over there along the river. Look at this McDonald's. So McDonald's decor now is steel beams with graffiti on it. Wow, we've come a long way. not even good graffiti, it's just toy graffiti.
Aber jetzt habe ich mir dafür mehr hat sie keine, ja, alles hat sich zu viel verdeckt so. Hat so viel verdeckt so. Ich kann doch nicht alles so endlich noch jeden Tag. Weißt du, das Ding ist, wenn man schon einmal gut will, dann kann man
So, I don't know why people wait so long for a light when there's no cars coming. So, yeah, these are the bars that I thought were going to be packed, but this one, there's nothing there. That one looks like there's some people there. So, let me go walk around. So that one down there definitely has a good amount of people. But I don't know, I see more people down there. Yeah, I see a big crowd of people right past this bridge over there. So look at these guys with their setup. They brought their own hookah machine. They brought their own music. Probably some beer or other substances or something. So they got their own club going on. It's pretty funny. Oh, I could go down here. Let's do that. Okay, so this is a good place to come. If you don't even want to go to the bars, you could just come hang out here with your friends, drink beers, and hang out on the waterfront. It reminds me of the similar waterfront in Warsaw, Poland, that has the same kind of thing. Oh, so this place is open. There's a good amount of people here. Truthfully, I thought that this would be a very young crowd, like, you know, college age, but it's not. It's definitely something like late 20s, early 30s or something along those lines. So I thought it would be just like a cheap outside place with cheap booze, but it's actually a nice place. I might stop here and have a drink. But yeah, see, all these people here are hanging out. They got their own booze and whatever. There's a guy, I think there's a guy selling beer over here. So, yeah, this guy is selling beer. An entrepreneur over here. He sees a market and he fills that niche. So maybe this is the younger crowd over here. So they got a DJ here, an outside dance party, Spanish music. So that's what's going on over here. Outside dance classes. Wow. So if you want to learn some Spanish dancing, salsa, merengue, whatever, come down here Friday night. Look at this place. There's probably more down there, but I guess I'm gonna turn around over here and go back. You guys could get a second look and maybe learn some dance moves or something. I mean, these guys, they set up their speakers, their laptop. I wonder where they get power from. Maybe they bring their own power, I don't know. You know, it's funny that Latin music, or whatever you want to call it, Spanish, South American, Latin, it's gotten very popular in Europe. When I was in Greece, there was like 3, you know, Cuban or Latin American kind of bars with that kind of music. When I was in Sweden, there was a bar playing Latin music, and they had this whole dance thing going on there too. So it's real popular. It doesn't hurt that it's very close dancing and a lot of touching and all of that stuff. So what's not to like, right? So guys, this is pretty surprising. I thought this would be kind of a very, I don't know, low budget kind of get together with just young kids drinking some beers and stuff like that. It's a lot more than that. And if I told you where you want to hang out in Vienna, and you said, you know, let's go hang out under the bridge by the porta potties and all that, you know, people think you're crazy or that it's dangerous. And I gotta say, it's anything but dangerous down here. I mean, there's not a hint of, you know, anybody looking at you the wrong way or anything like that. It is very friendly. Everything is really cool down here. So, you know, if you come down here, go check out those bars by Hard Rock or whatever, but definitely come down here and maybe get a drink over there, or, you know, try your dancing lessons over here. You could tell your friends about how you were dancing on the bridge along the river in Vienna. So I hope you like this one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.